Hey everyone! So today we're going to talk about how to download the Chrome extension for to be used for our tutor client tabs in order for us to determine whether there are sudden bookings while we are in class or while we are waiting for classes in general. So first we're going to type in Chrome extension tab refresh, and as you can see, the first link will pop up. Just click that one. What you're going to do is you're going to wait for this one. Okay, first I'm going to remove Chrome because I've already downloaded for tutorial sake. So I'm going to add Chrome again. What we're going to do is add extension. After you add the extension, you're just going to reset the timer on your Chrome browser. So how can we use the Chrome extension? So first we're going to the tutor client app, tutor client website rather. Then we click extensions. As you can see, we have here page refresh. Just click that one and then set the timer to how many minutes you want it to refresh. So I want it to refresh after 15 minutes, and then just click the word start. Okay, so once the stop button is flashed on your screen, it means that the timer is already running. So in order for you to check, you see here there's going to be a timer. It says 14:59. That means the remaining time before the tab refreshes. So thank you so much, and I hope you learned something from our tutorial. So if you like more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and have a good night.